Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. The reason we haven't been making videos is because I was pregnant and I was really sick the whole time. But now that I've had my little girl and I'm feeling so much better, we're getting back to business. Mom and I thought it would be fun to do a nursery design challenge because of the baby. So today, I'll be showing you how to make the dresser for my nursery build. To get the printables for this build, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link will be in the description box below, as well as other information. To make this project, you'll need foam core board. I just used my scrap pieces from other projects. You'll also need 2 cereal boxes, the drawer printables, and some pins or toothpicks for the knobs, and beads. Start by cutting out all the foam core board pieces. The dimensions are in the description box. Remember to use a fresh, sharp blade when cutting out foam board, or it'll shred. And I also recommend having a clear acrylic ruler. When everything is cut out, I use my thin-tipped glue gun to glue the frame together. Take one of the 4.5-inch pieces and glue on a 3 3/4 inch piece to the bottom. Glue on a 1 3/8 spacer and another 3 3/4 piece. Repeat those steps again. Glue on a 1-inch spacer next, and then the top. Glue in the spacers on the other side. Use another 4.5-inch piece for the center. Glue the second side on the same way as the first. Glue the 8 3/8 inch piece to the top. Then glue on the 8 5/8 piece on top of that. Next, you'll need your drawer printables. There are 3 different designs to pick from. Score on the lines. Cut out all the drawers. Make sure to print your drawers on cardstock paper. If you want a different pattern for your drawers, you can just use my design as a pattern. Fold up the sides. Glue down the tabs. Cut and glue on the decorative sides. They look cute, but they also help strengthen your drawers. When you're all finished, you should have 4 bottom drawers and 2 top drawers. Now you'll need your cereal boxes or any other box made out of paperboard. Take your first box and glue 2 sides together using a glue stick. I recommend putting glue on both sides. While that dries, measure and cut strips from your other box to cover all of the exposed foam edges. Measure and cut a large piece to cover the back of the dresser. Now you'll take your double-sided paperboard and cut out your drawer fronts. All of the measurements are in the description box. Glue your drawer fronts together and let dry. Add beads to the bottom of the dresser for feet. I glued 3 different beads together to get this look. I put them in the 4 corners and 1 center front. Next, you'll paint your dresser. I like to spray paint mine, but you can also use acrylic paint. Paint the whole frame and all of the drawer fronts. While the paint is drying, you can work on making the handles. For my handles, I cut a skinny dowel 2 inches long and 2 1/4-inch pieces. Glue the 1/4-inch pieces a 1/4 of an inch in from either side. Make 6. When they're all done drying, you can paint them. I used black acrylic paint to paint mine. You could also use push pins as knobs. Before gluing on the handles, I marked a 1/8 inch line on the top and sides of the back of the drawer fronts. I use those lines as guides when I glue the drawer fronts to the drawers. Measure to find the center of your drawer front and 1 1/8 inch in on either side and mark. Glue your handles on the marks drawn. Then glue your drawer fronts to the drawers. Make sure the bottom edges line up. Once they are dry, push them into your dresser and you're finished. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Poppy Seed Mini. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!